These days I was ordering some few PCB from PCB Buy, our sponsor. These guys are very professional. They help with HS5x2 project, and I was asking them to help me to do some cover for the oscilloscope boxes. So the idea is, why not to put a PCB here, so I have more strong on the surface. I can have GND shield, but the issue is, are they able to do all the holes of this size and the holes for the USB port and other, let's say, devices here. So actually I sent first in production this, and I was very happy they could do it, because this hole size is not standard, it's quite big. So they have some machine to work out also this issue here, and then the rest is okay. It's okay, because this part here is for the screw, and then I have a ground plane on both sides, I think. I don't remember how I did design. And then I can have some text and graphic here. So this one was the first production, and this one is the second one. Let's see. Both of them were very fast. I got the parts in 24 hours. Yeah, more or less. Delivery in China is very fast. This is the new part I was testing right now. So let's see, how does it fit? Yeah, I think it fits very nice. Yeah, let's try the screws. See if I have a screwdriver here, and then the screws. Yeah, one. The second one. Okay. And two. Yeah. I think the fit is perfect. This video is quite a spoiler, since I'm still testing these new settings. It's not confirmed yet, but you may see the next products, or some idea for next products. And here I was testing also this. Yes, I would say nice. Yeah, not bad. Okay, thank you PCB Buy. The PCB was perfect. Yeah, very nice. You may adjust some position of the text here. Yeah, move a bit. But this production is impeccable. Yeah. Yeah, I think I may choose this for some of the next HS devices. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and keep in touch.